lot of people like to stain their own furniture, but oftentimes they miss one crucial step: conditioning the wood. Treating the wood before staining is essential, especially if you're working with soft wood like pine or porous wood like maple. Let me show you why. This piece of wood was stained without being treated. See all of the streaks? This happens because soft and porous wood absorbs the stain unevenly, leaving blotches. Now, if you're not sure if the wood is soft and porous, turn it over. Press your fingernail into the back. If it leaves a dent like this one did, it's soft and porous and needs to be treated. Applying the conditioner is easy. All you need is either a brush or a cloth. Put this all over your piece of wood or furniture and then let it dry for about 15 minutes. All right, now we're ready to stain. You apply the stain the same way that you did the conditioner, and you can put as many coats as you want to get the desired color. Now, once your piece is stained, all you need to do is take a rag and wipe off the excess. And boy, what a difference. You can see already that this piece, the stain went on nice and even, versus this one where it's darker and blotchy.